Do you guys know why you are sitting here? Do you guys know?
Give me surprise.
Do you have any idea what that surprise is? Any idea? Ready?
Yes.
Okay.
But actually I was thinking about it.
Open your eyes.
What it is?
Open it and check.
I don't see. It's a keyboard. It seems exactly like a keyboard inside it is.
Look.
And this is what finally they left some holes. What's it keeping to the box? Do you pull the back side and I'll pull this side? You pull the back and I'll pull the front. No, you have to first pull it. Did they cover this with a trash can bag? How many layers does this have? Flip. Should we now have some scissors? Good smell being too calm down. It's going to be very exciting. But don't dump it and don't try to break it. Ooh. For the keyboard. Let me try. No, let me try first. Here's instructions. It doesn't work now. Let's see what it's. How do this? So it's just doing for you. It works. It works. It works. I'm so happy. Thank you, Mama. It's actually right. This is crazy. Wait. Just wait, just wait. This button's I'm crazy. I can make the volume up or lower it is. Ah. See, this time I have a great idea. When the song is happening, you dance, and then when it's done, you have to freeze. You have to freeze, so you move, so you lose. So let's try again.
Hold on, it's nice.
Other one.
Oh, wait.
I love you, Mama and Papa. I will do my vacations and also make you proud. I'll learn how to play piano.
Okay.